guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know that you people notice something different. That's my background. Now coming towards this video, in this video I am sharing my top 5 summer lipsticks under 300 rupees. You heard me right, under 300 rupees. So I got a request onto my channel where one of my subscribers has asked me to do top 5 summer lipsticks, and I was like, let me just set a parameter, because choosing top 5 summer lipsticks among 100 to 200 lipsticks is quite a difficult task. So I set the parameter of 300 rupees. So if you want to know which all lipsticks made to my top 5 summer lipsticks under 300 rupees, then keep on watching. So whenever there's a summer, for me it's always neutral eye and bright lips. But then I was like, everybody is not comfortable in that, right? So I'm gonna cover up each and every shade from neutral to light pink to bright pink, and yeah, that's it. So let's just get into the first shade. The very first shade is Miss Claire lip cream in shade 15A. Now this is a nude pink kind of a color. I'll just apply it. So as you guys can see, it's quite light pink color, which is great for college, as well as if you are working woman and you want something which is very neutral but looks very beautiful. This is a shade to go for. It's a very beautiful color with a very hint of light pink. So as you guys can see, I love it. Yeah. Now let's just head over towards second shade, which is from the brand Streetwear, which is very affordable brand. And I have already reviewed the whole range, so I'll link that video in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it. Now the shade which I'm going to talk about is Riveting Rouge. Now this is the shade. Let me just apply it onto my lip and we'll talk about it. As you guys can see, this is red with a little bit of pink. It really makes your teeth look whiter, and apart from that, it is great for if you're having any kind of event in the night and you want to look a bit brighten up. Just go for this shade, and even during the day you can carry this look, right? So it's a great color, as you guys can see. The third shade which I'm gonna try is Pink Pirote. The names are quite difficult, and again it's from the brand Streetwear. These lipsticks are very pigmented, at the same time very moisturizing. So as you guys can see, this is a beautiful peach color for summer, and peach is the color which many women as well as girls opt for when it comes to summer. So this is, if you're searching for something in peach, just try this one, which is Pink Pirote, shade number 19 from the brand Streetwear. So the fourth shade, I believe, yes, the fourth shade is from the brand Miss Claire again, and this one is shade number 11. I'll just apply and then we'll talk about the shade. So as you guys can see, this is a bit brighter compared to the first Miss Claire lipstick which I have tried, and this is a bit of pink, and I'll say even a peach is there, a hint of peach, which is absolutely great. So if you're looking for something which is not shocking, at the same time it's very pretty, and you get you know, those eyeballs in the crowd, then this is the color for you. Now the fifth shade is great for the people who are lover of matte lipsticks. Okay, so one thing I would like to suggest you before applying this lipstick is always moisturize your lips. So the brand I'm talking about is In Color Cosmetics, and this is their Matte Me lipsticks, and these are extremely matte, so you literally have to moisturize your lips before applying this. At the same time, this really stays onto your lips, so you know, I just saved the last for the best time, just so that you people know. One more thing, I would always suggest you use a lip liner with such kind of lipsticks. Yeah, beauty tip. So as you guys can see, this is such a beautiful color. If you are like me and you really want to stand out not in the crowd, then this color is made for you. It really stays for a longer period of time compared to all the lipsticks which I have shown, and it is like between 200 to 250 rupees. I'll put the link, and the shade I'm in actually tried is 414, and it's pretty, right? It's very pretty. Please tell me in the comments down below. Just because you have stayed so far with me, there's a bonus for you. So I'm sharing one more lipstick which is bright but at the same time quite towards cool tone and affordable. So this is from the brand Miss Claire. As you people are aware now that I love Miss Claire because their lipsticks are very comfortable. And the shade which I'm going to talk about is 07. As you guys can see, it's pretty pink, and I'm 102% sure that you're gonna love it. So this is the shade. This looks like a bubblegum pink wala color. And if you are a person who wants something poppy but at the same time don't want to get into the matte because it becomes quite uncomfortable after certain time, then this is the shade for you. And I hope the bonus color was definitely yay for you people, and if it was, then please let me know in the comments down below. Now if you like the background, please let me know in the comments down below so that I can continue with this, or you want me to switch to something other. Please feel free to share in the comments down below. And I hope the video was helpful. Let me know what other things you want to see from my side, because I would be glad to shoot that. And I know there are certain requests. I am working on it. Trust me, those videos are coming soon. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook wherever it's possible, because when I'm not on YouTube, I'm there actually. I'm active on those platforms. Then please follow me on those platforms as well. At the last, I'll say before that, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And at the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.